Minangkabau Factual.
Hi, welcome to the channel Minangkabau Tuangku Mangkulun. This is a chapter of Factual Minangkabau.
Or, what is the most important fact of Minangkabau? A thousand Minangkabau mini countries. Dear viewers, what is the ideal of Minangkabau that has been realized as a fact? Or, what is the most important fact of Minangkabau? The first factual Minangkabau is Nagari. Facts about the Nagari are the result of the realization of the ideas contained in the Minangkabau law, namely the Nagari law and the internal Nagari law. Undang-Undang Nagari and Undang-Undang Dalam Nagari, both of these laws are contained in Kato Pusako. Nagari is the first translation of the ideal Minangkabau, the grand design of the Minangkabau which is contained in Kato Pusako's oral speech. Nagari is a real form, the factual implementation of Kato Pusako. Nagari is a customary law community unit, consists of collection of several tribes, having certain areas with clear boundaries, owning their own assets, having the right to manage and manage their own household. Usually consists of at least 4 tribes, large families who have blood ties according to maternal lineage. Nagari is a territorial quality, also a genealogical quality. Nagari is an institution of social unity, a unit of autonomous community institution, a mini republic whose members are clear, have their own customs, and the way of life of their membership is recognized. Nagari is a complete republic. There is territory, there is constitution, there are people, there are leaders. The area has clear boundaries and is listed in Kato Pusako as the Nagari Constitution, whose names are Barih Barabeh, Tambo Nagari, or Tingok Nagari. The composition and governance clearly adheres to Lareh Koto Piliang, or Lareh Bodi Kanyago, Lareh Nan Bunta, Lareh Nan Panjang, or others. Its leaders have always existed throughout the ages, because leadership is attached to the identity of the community, the tribe. As long as the members of the tribe are there, there is a leader, who is also a part of the Nagari leadership. Nagari meets the perfect criteria as a country, a mini republic, a tiny, complete state. It is important to remember that Nagari is not a part of subordinate of a kingdom. Nagari is not a province, not a state of another country, or under a kingdom. Minangkabau is not a kingdom. Minangkabau itself is declared as a Nagari. Nagari is an identity that is independent, autonomous, not under or part of a power. Dear viewer, the number of villages in fact in the Minangkabau area according to Barih Barabeh Tambo Minangkabau is 166. That is the original village in Kato Pusako's speech. Most of the original Nagari currently located in the province of West Sumatra, which remains called Nagari. Others are located in Riau province and in Jambi province. This number has changed several times after it was integrated into the current Indonesian Republican government system. The current number of Nagari in West Sumatra 2020 is 923 Nagari, spreads in 11 districts, namely Agam, Tanah Datar, 50 Koto, Solok, Solok Selatan, Sijunjung, Darmasraya, Padang Pariaman, Pesisir Selatan, Pasaman, and Pasaman West. The increase in the number occurred because of the division of customary villages into several villages as new administrative areas. The number of 923 does not include the Nagari, which has been transformed into districts and villages in 7 cities: Padang, Bukit Tinggi, Padang Panjang, Payakumbuh, Solok, Sawah Lunto, and Pariaman. Sub-district and kelurahans in this city were originally Nagari within the Minangkabau traditional territory. If the sub-district and sub-district are counted as Nagari, then the number of Nagari has now exceeded 1,000 Nagaris. Dear viewers, Nagari is the unit of customary law community. According to Cato Pusako, Nagari has complete infrastructure, facilities, structures, and functions. In Tambo Minangkabau, it is stated, Nagari baampe suku, bamusaji babalai, batabuah balbuah, basawah. That is, a Nagari is established when it meets these minimum requirements. First, in a Nagari, there must be at least 4 tribes. Second, a Nagari qualifies if it already has a traditional hall and mosque as the main means of traditional activities and worship. Third, Balabuah Batapian, in a broad sense Labuah, street, accommodates community needs for social mobility, crowds, markets, and other places of social interaction. Tapian is special area of social interaction, where young people do activities including field, park. Tapian also means infrastructure to meet sanitation needs. Fourth, Basawah Baladang. A Nagari can stand if it has natural resources. Under these conditions, a Nagari is able to compile and implement customary adat for them. Managing Nagari's custom, namely Adat Salingka Nagari. Adat Salingka Nagari is an identity that makes a Nagari unique, different from. That is the Nagari, an indisputable fact about Minangkabau. 1,000 or more mini Minangkabau countries, where all citizens have relations with one another. 2 people in a Nagari must have a relationship. If they are the same ethnic group, the two are a kinship that can be explained through the maternal line. If the tribes are different, the 2 people may be related as Bako or banana children through the marriage of their parents. At least 2 people in the Nagari must have a kinship with the marriage of their brothers and sisters with each other. They must have a Sumando relationship or mama house for men, Minantu, Sumandan, or mother-in-law for every woman. Like the marriage of fraternity among people in the Nagari, live in Nagari like trees in the forest. If you don't have a relationship with your roots, you will meet with your shoots. That is, people in one Nagari must have a kinship because of ethnicity, or because of marital relations between their tribal members. So, everyone in one village certainly knows every other citizen. This is factual Minangkabau that cannot be denied until now. 1,000 or more mini autonomous, traditionally independent countries. A result of efforts to realize their ideal Minangkabau. Nagari became the homeland of a Minangkabau people. Wherever they are, there are always 2 things that will be asked. What is your village? Meant, where are you from? And what is your tribe? That is, the identity of Minangkabau is the village of origin of his ancestors and his tribe. What and how was Nagari then and now? What and how are the tribes in Minangkabau? Dear viewers, see you in another episode.
Don't forget to subscribe and share.